What up? What up? What up? Well, the parties ended quickly here at Matt's last day. I'm pretty sure that concert got canceled. Yeah, it's running pretty good. Anyways, so we got a cool little product at Matt's here. A little self-defense mechanism. It is tactical flashlight. Okay, cool. Okay, a little flashlight there. See, all right. Now, here's the cool feature. It has a taser built into it. Yeah, taser. But one cool feature, so you don't accidentally tase your bitch ass. Tase yourself. It's got an on and off switch. It's non-position. Flip that off. And don't worry about accidentally tasing yourself. Good thing to have. Uh, there's been some areas where I've been where there's people snooping. Someone pops up on your truck. Wait, hey motherfucker, get off my damn truck.